How to manage notification dots on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. In Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, okay, you can see here the tab bar. Okay, you can tap this. Here in tab bar, you can see here the manage notification dot. So you can choose where you see notification dots on the tab bar. And okay guys, to manage this, okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And now you can choose where you see notification dot on the navigation bar. So there are 3 navigation bar available on my Facebook. So the video, marketplace, and the menu. So okay, you can turn on or off this notification dot. So for example, I turn off the video notification dot. You'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this video to turn off the notification dots of this video. And also I turn off the marketplace and the menu. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully managed notifications that's on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.